fantastic great autopsy scene, and that's all kind of stuff that we want to try and top or match the quality of.
The directorially, I think there are definitely scenes, like in Salem, I know there's a great autopsy scene, and generally there is a link to that movie visually because it's a film that has a lot of standing over bodies, and there's a visual language that fit this film, so that is definitely an inspiration, generally.
I mean, for us too, certainly the scene in Silence of the Lambs and The Thing was also a big one for us.
For references. Andre, can you tell us about the Jane Doe herself? How that effect was achieved, both as a combination, I'm assuming a combination of an actress and a prosthetic?
Yeah, most of the time it's the actress, Alwyn Kelly, and and a lot of the shots, obviously when we're really tearing her apart, it's obviously a prosthetics. But it's a combination of sometimes layering her on top of the prosthetics again in post-production. It's like every conceivable way of working with this has been used in the film. It's an extensive amount of special effects work.
Multiple sort of variations of the cadaver, or were you working from one sort of? Well, like I just know that sometimes when you make movies, you can only afford like one thing, and if it goes up in flames.
Yeah, it's true. For the flame sequence, we actually burned a black doll, and then we layered the prosthetic version, and then layered her on top of that again in post-production, and then layered more flames on top of that again.
Okay.
So it took like months, literally, on our budget level.
Wow. All right, do we have questions from the audience? Right there.
I just wanted to ask about the soundtrack and specifically that,
The questions about the soundtrack. Was that a song from the script? When did that song enter the?
I'll speak to that a little bit because my producing partner, Eric Garcia, who also wrote Matchstick Men, is an accomplished writer in his own right. He's a twisted fucker, and we needed a song. Ian and Richard knew there was a song that had to come on the radio. We couldn't find which one, and he immediately, within 10 seconds, sent us an MP3, and that was the song. But it was with like the Chipmunks singing it. So it was like 10 octaves higher and a little bit faster, and it was in the script and it never changed. And then we shot it and set it to that, and then we had to go get the rights to it. And luckily, we conned them into it after a year of persuading. But yeah, it's all Eric Garcia.
Other questions? Yes, right there.
Yeah, to the writers, why the decision to deprive the protagonist of any retribution and instead make him a victim along with like all the other potentially countless?
Why? The question was about why our heroes aren't able to achieve any retribution and thus become victims in the cycle of Jane Doe.
They tried. I mean, even though they didn't survive, they died valiantly.
I mean, also, I think for us, as we were writing it, we started to realize that it was really a movie about victimization in a way, and so to transform the protagonists into victims as well and have them truly feel the way that Jane Doe had felt her entire existence was really important to us.
Do you feel, as writers, and also Andre, you can speak to this too, that they got the furthest that anyone else had ever gotten in terms of understanding the situation?
I would say so, yeah.
Us too.
What it says, we always talk about the movie as a feminist film. The antagonist becomes the protagonist in a way.
Do we have other questions from the audience? Yes, right back there. Did you guys shoot in the UK?
We did shoot in the UK because it's the furthest place from the financier, so there's less creative notes.
Is it handy film?
Just kidding, partially. It's a great place to shoot, and Romania seemed like less of a fun place to hang out for a few months. And the real reason is honestly, there's a lot of genre movies that are made, and we approach this script from a place of how can we make a genre movie that hits all the beats, that gives all the fun, scares, and thrills that hopefully you guys felt today, without feeling derivative and felt a bit more original. So part of that was, let's go shoot a movie set in Virginia, but shoot it in London, and bring an art house crew. Our DP shot Pride and Prejudice and Secret Bodies films, and all our crew had never worked on a horror movie before, and so they brought a different edge to it and a different perspective. And I think, hopefully, that was a big part. We, working with Andre, we felt incredibly lucky as fans of his first film, and also of his approach to cinema. Felt much more, how can we make a beautiful, tense movie as opposed to a horror movie? And we hoped that then it would be scary and effective. And so London was kind of a weird part of that philosophy, and hopefully it paid off.
There's a question right there. Was there, well, the question was there anything that you asked of Brian Cox that he said, no, I'm not going to do that?
Actually, there was, but
I'll turn off your phones.
There was a moment that he refused to do. No, he loved the character. He protected the character through the whole process. Also against suggestions that he felt was out of character. So it was actually really a great thing the whole way to have actors who really believe in who they are as humans in the film.
And how did Brian and Emil come to be involved in the film?
We asked them and they loved the script. We were just lucky.
Yes, right there.
So with the whole sort of witchcraft pentagram, did you do any real research into flowers and witchcraft lore?
Yeah, so the question's about witchcraft and the research that you conducted in sort of laying out, I guess, all the sort of elements of what happened to her in her body.
We did. I mean, again, that was where both our own research and also going to the LA County morgue and learning how autopsies were conducted. I mean, we kind of knew where we wanted to go with the mystery, what the big reveal was going to be, and then it was just about how to do it in the most interesting and really specific ways. So it was looking up different kinds of paralyzing flowers and what could she have under her nails that's not just dirt, that's a more specific dirt that points to New England, and the bit with the corset and her ribs not in sync with the rest of her body. So our Google search histories are a terrible place to look.
Right over there.
Was it difficult casting an actress as a dead body?
Was it difficult casting an actress?
It was a rigorous search.
Well, yeah, I mean, she has to portray a lot of things without actually doing anything. She has to be kind of scary. You have to feel for her. She has to be ethereal in some way. There is so many requirements without actually without her being able to perform anything. So to cast her in theory was quite scary, but then our casting director, as soon as we put out the description, she said, I know who you want, and she lives right next door to me. And it was the first girl I interviewed in an office, at the production office, and it was like, it's her. And I interviewed tons of girls after that for the same part, but it was always her. So in a way it was actually easy.
There's all these really sort of subtle facial expressions that she makes throughout the film. I'm just wondering, in terms of directing them, what was that process like in terms of arriving at that's the expression I want?
It's so many details. We had like whole days where we were just shooting her face for different scenes and from different angles and for hours and hours. Try to nail each moment in context to where she is in the journey. And
Right there.
Did any creepy shit happen while you were filming?
Did any creepy stuff happen while you were filming?
I mean, I had an experience of coming in like 6 a.m. in the morning alone on set, and I was, I'm not really scared by the dark, but I walked onto set and it was like nobody there, and it was just this, while we were shooting the opening sequence with the burned body, and it was just lying there, and me alone in this huge storage facility with just that was really scary, but nothing else, nothing actually scary. It was just a really bad feeling.
Thank goodness for that. And everyone, please give it up for the film. Remember to vote for the film. It's 2010 film. And give that man this People's Choice Award. Let's hear it.